San Francisco Yacht Club signed up for the Chubb US Junior Championships a year ago with the St. Francis as well as Tiburon Yacht Club. It's a big undertaking because we have 104 kids here this week, and we have 2 sailing venues, one in the Olympic Circle for the Bites and the 420s and one off of Tiburon Yacht Club for the J22s. And we're using 3 yacht clubs because of the multiple venues and the number of boats that we need, and just overall volunteers. There are more than 150 volunteers that we'll put this week on.
Well, there's 3 events, the Sears, the Bemis, and the Smythe. We have our Sears coach, who is Richard Feeney. He's coming from Rhode Island. We have the Smythe coach, who is Todd Fedison from St. Pete Yacht Club. And I'll be on the Bemis line with the 420s. We are here as coaches. There are no parents here. There are no private coaches. This is a fully US Sailing sponsored event. All the boats are provided by Zim, and so all the boats are brand new. They're all equal across the board, and I think that's really what it's about for these events, is giving an equal opportunity out on the race course for each sailing pair or individual or group to have a fair championship.
Sailing here, I know the water is going to be freezing, but I'm just hoping that it's going to be really windy every day. There's a lot of current, so that's going to come into play a lot. And yeah, I've been looking for big wind all summer, so this should be good.
I'm definitely excited for this event. It's kind of cool because all the competitors are new to this boat, and so it'll put us all on an equal playing field, I guess. And the sailors here all had to qualify from their area, so they're all top-level competitors, so I'm excited to see where I measure up.